Welcome back, guys. It's your boy KP, and I'm back over here at Thurgood Property, and this is episode 3. So if you haven't watched the first 2, go ahead back and watch those on the channel. The links will be below. So please like this video, subscribe, and comment. On this video, we're going to go through and see all of the framing that's going on. On the last video, we just had, it was the post demo stage. So let's go inside and check out the framing. Alright, as you guys can see that we put a header up here, and the reason that we did that is because we took out the closet that was right here and reversed the door swing. So now it's a right hand in swing door that provides an open area when you walk into this house, and so you wasn't walking into a closet or anything like that. And that provides us the little foyer space that allows us to walk into a larger space instead of just walking into a little cubby or something. And behind me is the bathroom that I sprayed on the ground back on episode 1, because this is a 3-part series so far. This is number 3. And on the last couple of episodes, we did the pre-demo, the post-demo, and this video is all about the framing. So I'll go over everything that's going on in here with you guys, but as you can see, if you pan around, see all the framing, all the new framing. Alright, originally we thought we were going to use this space right here as a master bath. But after we figured everything out, we decided to just turn it into a hall bath and drop a tub in here instead of a shower. And I'll tell you why we decided to do that. You can look in here, you can see this will be a standard size bathroom with a tub, toilet, and 30-inch bed. Here, this used to be the master bedroom. We were going to make this the master bedroom, but we decided to put the master in the back of the house to create a bigger space and a larger closet for the master. Over here, we had to bump out this closet to create a good area for people to hang their clothes in this space that we have now taken a little space from by removing these original closets. Here, this is the new master. And what I mean, when we took those closets, we created 2 larger closets on this side. And we decided to take this window out completely and put this smaller window so that we would now have a place to have a bed with 2 outlets on either side of the bed. Over here is the entrance into the master bathroom. To the right will be the shower, straight ahead the toilet, and along this wall will be the double vanity. This door will be a barn door. You're going to be able to slide back and forth to cover the entrance into the bathroom. So let me show you the kitchen. So this area is the kitchen now. In this space, we're going to add a sink in the island. Behind me will be the range with the vent hood. We have cabinets on both sides, shelving units. And over here, we're going to have a refrigerator. So all this space now is a very functional kitchen. So you can see the framing. We have our ductwork going down to the basement. This will be closed in, and the chase will be created for that ductwork and plumbing. Now let's jump down to the basement. And this area is now the basement. As I told you in the last video, we were going to create 2 bedrooms down here and 1 bath to bring the total to a 4-bedroom, 3-bath in this house. This area here is one of the bedrooms with the closet. And the back space here is the other bedroom, which we're currently standing in the living area. So let me show you the second bedroom. And what makes this a real functional bedroom is it has the proper ceiling heights and also has an egress window, meaning in case of a fire, you can easily escape out of this window. So that's what makes this, along with the closet, a real functional bedroom that you can record on the tax records. Now this space is the bathroom. It's in very bad shape right now because the plumbing is going in and it's on the slab, so it's a lot of plumbing going there. Behind it will be the stand-up shower, toilet, and vanity. And that will be our third bathroom in this property. So, over here is the storage area and the laundry. So on the next video you guys are going to see, it's going to have sheetrock and everything so you can actually see the actual functioning layout of this property. So let's go back upstairs. Again, I'm your boy KP from the KP and Gino J Show. Thank you for watching episode 3 of the $100,000 to $350,000 flip project. So yeah, be on the lookout for episode 4, where we're going to come back and everything is going to be sheetrock and ready for paint. So see you on the next one.